Hi, thanks for joining me today. This is David Riley Jr., one of the many cash register guys here at National Business Systems, also known as the Cash Register Guys. The video today, we're going to take a look at the brand new machine from SAM4s. This is the ER-915. The ER-915 was designed and brought to market to replace the incredibly popular SAM4s ER-5215M that there are thousands and thousands of across the country. Just a phenomenal machine. So this is the replacement for that super popular machine, and they've added some nice features to it. So one of the first things you'll notice on this one versus the old the 5215M is that this now comes in a black cabinet, where the 5215M was ivory. SAM4s makes all their machines now in this this black cabinet color instead of the ivory. A little bit different looking cabinet other than the color, but we have 7 departments standard, 7 buttons. Standard, we can convert this to 14 if 7's not enough, but we find most of the people that use a entry-level register like this, 7 is just fine. You know, typically food, liquor, beer, wine, grocery, non-taxable. So there's a lot of different things you can do with these departments. Most people set them up as just open entry. So we're going to do 450 into this category, 780 into this category, 450 into this category, subtotal. Here's your subtotal with tax if you charge tax. Okay, we're going to tender in $20. Hit the cash key. Showing our change up here. Of course, it's issued a receipt, and we'll get to the receipt and journal printer here in a second. Nice cash drawer on this machine. This is a 5 bill, 5 coin. So we got our 5 bills. People like the fact that this is metal. This is metal. This is a hardened plastic. There are extra dividers. It comes with extra dividers, and you can move these dividers if you'd like. This is designed to be an international, at least for North America. So it'll accommodate American bills and Canadian bills. The drawer itself is metal. It's nice, heavy duty. This, once it's in place, it doesn't pop up. You have to push it back, because it has media slots, so you can insert credit cards or big bills or checks right through the media slots underneath the drawer. This little sticker over here just indicates that this particular drawer is a 60. This is a SAM4s 60 cash drawer. That is the standard drawer that they use to, again, accommodate American and Canadian currency. Now let's take a look at the receipt and journal. This is the journal. This is the receipt. This is one of the reasons this is such a popular machine. Is this machine is the entry-level model that comes with both a receipt and a journal. So if you're an old-time cash register user, you'll know exactly what a journal printer is. A journal printer is an audit tape that stays inside the register. So as you're ringing up sales, it's just recording blow by blow everything that's happening. The receipt actually prints out and is torn off, of course, for your customer, but the journal tape stays in there for you. Don't get the journal tape confused with the X or Z report. You get the X or Z report regardless of whether you have a journal printer or not. But again, that's why this machine is popular, for those people that still want to have a journal or an audit and a receipt. Most of our customers do turn the receipt off and only issue it on demand, which is one of the features of this register. This register can have up to 4 programmable tax rates. You may not have multiple tax rates now, but they are sweeping the country. We've been setting up machines all over the country and have been setting them up for 2 and 3 tax rates on a regular basis now, where 5 years ago we hardly ever did. Many municipalities are having a separate food tax from a separate retail goods tax. So that is important. This register can accommodate up to 4 different tax rates. Has an adjustable display, so you can see it tilts back and forth. It's very bright. It is a 2-line display showing you the last thing you did. So here was a cash transaction and the change of 0. Let's take a look at the key. So this is called the mode lock, and of course, like all SAM4s registers, you can turn it to register and take the key out, so nobody can turn it without you being there. And you get, as you can see, a huge set of keys with the purchase. And that is because you're going to get a key for every single location that the machine turns to. Not only one key, you get 2 keys for every location that the machine turns to. You might only get 1 C key. C is the S mode, which is not shown. But you get a full set of keys. You also get a set of keys for the cash drawer as well. This machine can support barcode scanning. You can have up to, I think it's 22,000 UPCs in this machine. You can have 99 clerks or cashiers. Here's the clerk button, so if you want to have your cashiers or clerks log in with each sale, you can certainly do that. You can have up to 99 group totals. This machine will even do guest checks if you're a small restaurant. You can do 2 price levels per PLU. Why is a price level per PLU important? Maybe it's a 6-pack versus a single, pack versus carton, or maybe you don't. Maybe you just use open entry. So it really depends. It also supports mix and match. Mix and match is going to come into play when you're doing barcode scanning. So if you have an item that's $1.25 each, or you can get it for $3. As soon as you sell that third one, it'll automatically kick in that discount. Multiple payment keys. We have cash, check, charge, discount keys, paid out, received on account, error correct for voiding. We have the void, we have the complete cancel. Of course, it has a no sale. It's really a great little entry-level machine. Works well in markets, snack bars, grocery stores, convenience stores, gas stations, and the like. It's nice, it's fast, gives you great reports at the end of the day. It also gives you monthly reports. And if you are programming a lot of items on this machine, say you add a barcode scanner, you can back this machine up. It comes with free software, so you can back it up or even program it from your computer. And one of the neat things they've added is an SD card port. It's right back here. So once you have this machine programmed, you open this port, you can insert an SD card into it and back up the program from the register to that SD card port, which is something you could not do in the older model that it replaced, the 5215M. So very popular, very easy. So if you're looking for an easy to use, heavy duty register with a receipt and a journal, this is probably the one. Give us a call if you have any questions. You can reach us at 1-800-863-2274. We've also put a link directly to our page on this register in the description. So just look down in the description. You'll see a link that goes right to this register. But give us a call or find us on the web, 800-863-2274 or cashregisterguys.com. Thanks a lot.